eating a pound of chicken. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to work out because I'm gonna need to take a nap. Did any of you see what this dish looked like when we were taking like the photos? I'm missing big chunks.
So excited you're here. We've been talking about making food together. I've been watching your Instagram stories, all about like health, wellness, and like fitness. And today,
chicken meatballs with sriracha.
Great source of protein. We have in here, we have chicken, meat in here, a bunch of different toppings. Just season it and have like a nice skillet here that we can just make on here and talk about your new song that you have.
Yes, I just released the new single.
Talk about the inspiration.
Over and over. I'm a hopeless romantic, so it's like a good falling in love, finding and learning something new in someone.
I feel like every relationship, you learn something new about yourself, about other people.
Yeah, like finding someone that you can constantly challenge yourself in.
Yeah.
And then you just keep kind of like falling over and over for like a new finding of each other every single time you're together.
I love that.
Yeah.
All right, so let's add in a little bit of soy sauce. Ooh, that looks good. I want some cayenne pepper in there. I like a nice heat. You want to put some of that? Green onions. Just leave some. Yeah, leave some for later because we're gonna top it off as well, but we're gonna just use some of that. That looks good. Add some greenery in there. Crack an egg.
God, I feel like it's gonna explode.
Oh, you got it. Organic egg goes in, just to combine everything and pull everything together. Gluten-free breadcrumbs. I'll add that. I found this is not sriracha, but it's gochujang, which is Korean. It has like a nice sweetness. It's not as spicy. Good, now you get to use your hands and get in there. We have here.
We got chicken meatballs with sriracha.
And some green onion. Yeah, we'll post the links and also check out Kristine's new song.
Yay!
Where can we find it? Over and over.
Available everywhere digitally.
Yay! I'm gonna post the links below. Yes, I love your glasses. And we love these meatballs. Okay, let's give it a taste test. Cheers!
Cheers! I've already gotten into it. If any of you see what this dish looked like when we were taking like the photos.
I have photos. I have proof.
Because it's missing big chunks. I have
so
7 meatballs ago.
Oh my god. Nice spice. Almost like a nice sweetness crunch.
We basically ate a pound of meatballs.
A pound of chicken.
That sounds really bad. Is a pound bad?
No, we had half a pound, half a pound.
I think I did more.